Hi everyone, we've been asked to do a walkthrough of our van. It's a 15-foot 6 fully off-road van. As you can see, it's not very big, so we've actually have to be really quite precise on how we pack it. If you don't already have a muck mat, make sure you invest. They are the best. We do majority of our cooking outside, and there's also a sink outside as well, but we do on the occasion, possibly more just sort of boiling the kettle in here, or if it's really bad weather outside. We also have a sink as well, which is good. Our seating area, as you can see, it's big enough for Tony and I. It's a van for two. It's definitely not a family van. Actually, we had a microwave in here and we found that we never used it. The only thing we actually ever used it for was to keep the bread in. So we don't stay in a lot of caravan parks. We tend to be more off-grid, free camps, that sort of thing. So in here generally is our bread, biscuits, that sort of thing, as well as produce. So that's like potatoes, you know, our carrots, that sort of thing stays in here. We use a lot of these. These are your fusion locks. Fantastic. I think the majority of people now who have a van tend to have them. Our TV attachment. Obviously the TV travels underneath the bed, and not on there, especially when we're on. Obviously we're still in the process of packing it. We've got 2 weeks left to go now. I find these really useful. They come from Kmart. They're a pack of 3. We just write on them what it is. So that's shorts, that sort of stuff. So I'm still yet to pack mine. This is Tony's cupboard. He has more in there, board shorts as such. Just makes it a lot easier. These cupboards are not easy to deal with clothes. So you can just pull out the pack that you want, and instead of it all just becoming a huge big mess, which it does. In here, we have our bathroom, sort of, you know, toiletries basically in there. In this one over here, we have all our cups and glasses. We don't travel with glass as such. I found these really lovely. They're nice to drink out of, and I'm a bit fussy drinking my wine, so I find these really good. They came from Bed Bath and Table, I believe, at the time. So yeah, so that in there. And I think it's Caravan Homemaker Hubs on Facebook, the group. Fantastic. One of the ladies in there had done all she had a much bigger van, but she had done it all with these little containers. Get them from Coles and Woolies. They tend to really work well in the pull-out pantry. As you can see, I'm still packing this one here. So that's really good. Down here we keep all of our heavier things, obviously, because they say weight down on the floor. So we carry cans. I try not to carry a lot of cans because they really are there's a lot of weight in them. In here we have all our saucepans. They're the ones that stack into each other. Fantastic. Down here, we move out the road a little bit. Okay, so this is our wardrobe. So as you can see, it's hard to, it is a difficult pack for clothes. You're never quite sure, especially when you do summer and winter, you know, all seasons. So this is our little bathroom. I'm going to step out of the road here. I love it. I think it's fantastic. This here for all our toiletries. I'm still yet to get another fusion lock for over there, a little shelf just for more storage. There is storage at the back here as well, all underneath here. As you can see, hidey hole. It is a hidey hole. Generally it's sort of wintry clothes go in there. We have, this is a cute little thing. It came from Dazo. It's a tiny little rubbish bin. It fits perfectly over here and it travels so well. The cupboard is just ideal size for it. So I was really chuffed to get that one. It goes in there. Up here we have just, this is I packed a little blender this time only because we can use it in the car now because it has enough power to be running that, and that also is a milk frother as well and warmer. In here are medications, and there's another 2 to go in there. These are all our towels. Again, I've used the same little bags from Kmart. These are our beautiful Will and Wind. Got to give them a bit of a tip here on this one. They are our beach towels. Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. We're just waiting for our mat to come as well, so we can't wait to use them. We haven't used them yet, so thank you very much, Will and Wind. Over here, so this is sort of our kettle, a few odds and ends, all our pens, colouring. In here, fire starters, sunscreen, all of those, insecticide spray, all of those sort of things. These are really quite handy too. They came from a Kmart originally. They're just good to just pop in. You know, that's our little head torches, which we use quite a lot. Do have storage underneath the bed. It's a east-west bed, as you can see. They are hard to make, I must admit. We've obviously had this van. We did the Kimberley in 2017 and we were away for about 9 weeks. We've done a lot of travel. We've stayed a lot in the van over at Stratty and places like that. So you do get used to it. I think as we get older, I don't think I will want to have an east-west bed. But for now, it's perfectly fine. I'll just show you up underneath. It's really quite easy to lift it up. And this is, a lot goes into here. There's a lot of food as well. We tend to take a lot more too because I'm gluten intolerant, yay. So we kind of have to carry quite a bit more because you can't always get it. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.